Interesting enough, her mother wasn't even trying to defend her daughter. She just apologized to me again in person when we left the building. If you're thinking my ex got the deserved punishment, well, I don't know about that. You decide for yourself if you think it's enough. She wasn't sent to jail, just a 6 months community service. But if I'm honest with you, I'm fine with that. It was never about whether her punishment was great enough. It was never about revenge or anything. It was simply about satisfaction that she's not getting away with it. And with that, this chapter is now closed for good. I thought I should probably let you know. I want to thank all of you for your support. I shared my story about a year ago, and to this day people interact with me. They write me messages and it's heartwarming. I was able to heal and even find new friends. And I promise I will never forget what this community did for me. Wish you a happy life. And maybe we'll see us someday again. Bye.